how's everyone doing? Okay. Oh, and I am shaking that screen. Okay. I want to show you how I have been making my hot glue gun pieces. And so if you have an old eyeshadow palette, it's going to come in really handy for this. And I'm going to show you what you can do with it. Okay, so what you're going to do is get a paintbrush, okay? And you're going to get your eyeshadows. And you're just going to pat that color into the mold if you have any wax molds or molds, silicone molds. I'm not sure. This is a Prima Frank Garcia mold for the candy cane lane. So, alright. So we have patted our eyeshadow. Get your glue gun going. And you might want to use a big one because this uses a lot of glue. And, whoops. Oh, geez Louise. That screen is just a-shaking. And get that hot glue into all of the areas. And it's going to settle pretty good on its own. Okay. And that's it. And you can go through and pick out different colors that you want to use for other designs, other molds, whatever you want to call it. And that's it. Just be really, really, really heavy with that eyeshadow. And the more you put in there, the better. And you can add more different colors. For some shadowing effects. But I love that it comes out looking like glass. That's what I think. And you can use the scissors or a knife, an X-Acto knife or some kind of cutting implement to smooth it all out if there's any little bits that are hanging off of it. Okay, and that's the gist of it, and you're going to let it cool and take them out, and I'll be back when those cool. It, and this is the Sure Bonder, and it was $10 on Amazon, guys. So as you can see, it starts becoming a bit opaque as it dries, and so that's when you pop them out. So I'm going to let these cool, and they'll be completely hard, and I'll pop them out and show you what they look like. Okay, and here they are. You can even pop them in the freezer for a little bit to cool them down quicker. Now, I am not taking full credit for this tutorial. I did find it on YouTube, and I cannot remember who I found it from. So, oh my gosh, I just cannot remember. So, if it's you, thank you so much. But like I say in some of my other videos, I wouldn't know how to do a lot of what I ought to know how to do or do without seeing other YouTube tutorials. So I haven't invented the wheel, and these aren't the first time that someone's done these. So it's a good way to use up your eyeshadow. Don't throw it out. Boy, this green really pops, and this kind of magenta pink color, you can kind of tell that's a little bit of a lavender, and you might be able to tell that there's like an icy blue, but I think it really looks like ice, I think. So, but I really like how these turn out, and they look a lot like frosted glass and very vintage. So thank you for watching this video. It's super quick, and due to my terrible internet service, this is why they're super quick. So I hope that you found some inspiration in this video, and get that eyeshadow out and get that hot glue out and have some fun. Okay, see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. And this is hashtag 12 days of Christmas crafting, and a collaboration with Isabel, who is the Shabby Hippie here on YouTube. Have a great day, everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye.